This question belongs to programming subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2014 Set 2. So the question states, consider the C function given below. Which one of the following is true? The function returns 0 for all values of j. The function prints the string something for all values of j. The function returns 0 when j equals to 50. The function will exhaust the runtime stack or run into infinite loop when j equals to 50. So this is our function. Okay. So these two options, this is saying the function returns 0 for all values of j. Let us see. If we have, let us suppose j5, then it creates a static integer I50. Okay, static integer I initialize only once. Now it creates another variable k. If I equals to j, I is not equal to j, so it will return 0. In this case, it will return 0. But there may be other cases. Let us suppose we are providing 50 over here. Then it will create I equals to 50. It will create a variable k with garbage. If I equals to j, yes, I is equals to j, as j is 50 and I is 50. This is your j. So what it will do? It will do print something. So it will print something. Now it will again call. So we have f of 50. It performed some computation, printed something, and then it will again call f of I. So what is I? I is our 50. So it will again call f of 50. So again we will come over here. We won't create our variable because it is static variable. K we will again create in our local function. We will print something. Again we will call k equals to f of I. I will be used this one only. So again we will call f of 50. So there is no terminating condition for this recursion. So there will be an infinite loop. So the function returns 0 for all values of 0. All values of j? No. For j equals to 50, it doesn't return 0. The function prints something for all values of j? No. If we have j equals to 5, it doesn't print something. The function returns 0 when j equals to 50. This is false. The function will exhaust the runtime stack or run into infinite loop when j equals to 50. This is correct. See, for any value j is not equal to 50, it will return 0. So according to this statement, this one becomes false. The function will print something. This becomes false because it doesn't print something. But for j equals to 50, it will run into infinite loop. So because of this, this became as false, this became as false, and correct answer is option D.